Welcome! In today's guide, we're diving into a neat WhatsApp web feature that gives you more control over your privacy. Specifically, we'll cover how to manage who can see your profile photo directly from your computer. This is a recent update, so if you've been looking for this option, you're in the right place. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Open WhatsApp Web. Head over to your computer and launch WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged into your account. 2. Access Settings. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You should see a gear icon. Click on it to open up the Settings menu. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy. This is where you'll find various options to control your privacy. 4. Profile Photo Settings. Within the Privacy Settings, you'll see an option labeled Profile Photo. Click on it. This section lets you decide who can see your profile picture. 5. Choose My Contacts Accept. Here, you'll see a few choices. Select My Contacts Accept. This option allows you to specifically exclude certain contacts from seeing your profile photo. 6. Select Contacts. A list of your contacts will appear. Simply select the contacts you wish to hide your profile photo from. 7. Confirm your selection. After choosing the contacts, confirm your selection. The process might vary slightly depending on the interface, but there should be a clear Done or Confirm button. And that's it. You've successfully managed who can see your profile photo on WhatsApp Web. This is a great way to maintain privacy and avoid unwanted attention from specific contacts. A few things to keep in mind. The contacts you exclude won't be notified that you've changed your settings. They'll simply see a default icon instead of your profile picture. You can change these settings at any time, so feel free to adjust them as needed. This feature is particularly useful if you have work contacts or acquaintances on WhatsApp that you'd prefer not to share your profile photo with. This new update to WhatsApp Web gives you more granular control over your privacy, letting you customize who sees your profile photo with just a few clicks. Take a moment to explore the other privacy settings as well, to further customize your WhatsApp experience.